is Mark with Originality.ai. We're an online AI content and plagiarism checker with a 99% accuracy rating for detecting AI-generated content. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our new free AI paragraph rewriter, which uses the power of GPT technology to improve the quality of your writing and streamline your writing process. Our tool offers language options to translate as well as rewrite, allowing your content to break through language barriers and reach the widest possible audience. I'll be walking you through how to effectively use the tool today. Check out the link in the description to follow along. To get started with your rewrite, first enter the paragraph you'd like to work on in the text field here. You can type it in directly, or, if you expand the advanced options, you can upload it from a website or local file. If you'd like to import it from a website, simply type the URL into this text field, and the content will be extracted automatically. If you'd like to upload from a file, select it using this field. The tool accepts docx, PDF, or TXT files for upload. I've already got a paragraph I'm working on in a file here, so I'm going to import it now. Once you have your paragraph entered, select qualities you'd like for your rewrite. The tone setting allows you to rewrite in a particular style, while the detail setting allows you to shorten or expand your paragraph. With our language settings, you can translate as you rewrite. If you want extra control over the style of your rewrite, the voice setting in the advanced mode options will allow you to prioritize the passive or active voice. I'm going for an informative tone today with just a little more detail. Just click Rewrite, and in moments, your paragraph will be rewritten to fit your specific needs. Notice that my input paragraph had some spelling and grammatical mistakes, but those were no problem for our tool. It works behind the scenes to make sure your writing is always clear and error-free. If you're happy with most of the paragraph, but you want to make some small adjustments to get it perfect, you can use the fine-tune feature to rewrite individual sentences. This will keep everything else in the paragraph the same, but rewrite the particular sentence you target, still keeping in mind the tone, detail, and language settings you chose for your paragraph. Once it's finished, your fine-tuned paragraph will be added to the top of the feed. Now that you have your paragraph just the way you like it, you can either save it as a docx or text file, or copy it to your clipboard. And there you have it, writing made easy with Originality AI's free paragraph rewriter tool. If you liked this one, be sure to check out the rest of our collection of free AI-powered writing tools. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark with Originality AI, and I'll see you next time.